So, hi everyone. We decided to go walking this evening just because we haven't been in the neighborhood since the hurricane. So this is day 7 after the hurricane. So we are going to take a walk. So I'm just waiting on the other kids to get out. So while I wait on them, I'm gonna thank my subscriber for subscribing to my channel, and I'm asking please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. And here they come. This is Carissa. She's all ready, so she's planning on skating today. And there is Kaylee. Careful, Kaylee. So as you see your neighborhood, all the shrubs are still on the road. Everyone has some things at their gates. The truck hasn't been here yet for the hurricane debris. It has been here to pick up regular trash, but not hurricane debris. So there you go. Everyone is still putting back things together. Everyone lost something, but everyone in my neighborhood didn't lose any major things. What you do? Forget your glasses?
There's something in my shoe, some good timing.
So she forget her glasses, Carissa. So I'm just gonna wait on her. Hurry, Carissa. Something's coming, Kaylee. Just be careful.
Am I in the way?
No, you're not. I'm just telling you.
Just making sure.
And here she comes for the second time. Something's coming. Be careful. Go in the sidewalk. So this is my friend Rassane just coming by. Hi, Russ.
Hi, darling.
All right. See you later then. Take care. Come, Casey. You She loved to skate with the baby. Be careful. Remember, you have her now, so you have to be extra careful. This is all debris. The entire road has debris. Out of the road. Could you stay on this side, please, just as the water doesn't hit you there? Thank you. So now they give her back to me. See, debris everywhere. I guess everyone cannot wait for them to come and pick it up, but we're so grateful we have somewhere to sleep. Everyone in my community have their houses.
Can we stop by to say hi to Mickey?
Let's say hi to Mickey, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. So they wanted to stop by my friend's house just to say hi to, I called her my niece, but it's our friend. And this is where they live. So they're working on something there. I don't know. Hi, Mike. And there they go again. They left our friend's house now. These kids thinks they own the road for themselves. To your left.
I am in. Ah! The stop sign is actually like.
Careful, Carissa.
Hi.
Remember, you can't go too far away from me, okay? So I should tell you too, the kids start school today. First day back to school after the hurricane. They were so excited. Oh my God, it's not even funny. Carissa. So Kelly, tell me, how was your first day back at school today?
Well, the first day back from the hurricane, it was fine. I had to finish up a lot of work that I didn't do. And because fourth grade, my grade level keeps on talking in lunch and giving disrespect and to the teachers, we have to have assigned seats for lunch.
Also, how is the assigned seat going?
I don't sit next to anyone that is my friend at all.
Oh, so that makes things better?
Not for me, but for the teachers.
Oh, I see. Because they don't want anyone talking to each other during lunch break, yeah?
So, and then when I came back into the classroom after lunch, I had to do science. So I had to finish up a science project I was doing. And before that, I was just doing math and reading.
So how is
And
that?
I was also writing, I was also drawing a little card about how it went in the hurricane.
So how was that?
It was fine. I just didn't get to color. Because
Oh.
mostly I just draw me sitting next to the TV with no Wi-Fi.
That's funny.
I know, right?
Yes.
So, but the hurricane for me, it went fine. It's just no Wi-Fi.
Yeah, that sucks. So Carissa, how about you? How was your first day back at school?
It was fun. I got to see all my friends again, and I really, really missed my friends because I talk about it all the time.
Those who do not know, Carissa, she loves people. She loves her friends more than how she loves school. Right, Carissa?
Yes. Also, in our first period, we weren't really doing anything. We didn't actually do anything at all. In
Okay.
our second period, we were just watching videos of how the hurricane went and
Mm-hmm.
like how the categories of the hurricane went.
Did they show like the devastation throughout the communities?
Yes.
So how that must have been bad for you
Yeah, there was also some hurricanes from back, like
from previous hurricanes?
yes, like Hurricane Ida
Mm-hmm.
and Irma.
Mm-hmm.
In period 3
Mm-hmm.
and 4, it was math, so we're doing like a measuring timeline with temperature,
Right.
and yeah, it was just temperature. So we did a timeline activity outside that
Right.
she gave us a number. We all lined up on where the number sit on the timeline, and then we went back inside, and then it's like 10 minutes after that it was lunchtime, so we went to lunch.
Okay.
Also at lunch, people had this one chip challenge thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's like one chip, and it's really, really, really spicy.
Did you do that?
No. Oh yes,
Bet.
actually wait.
You hate
Not really.
spice.
It was a little piece, and I put it on my tongue, and I just threw it at the wall. I had to go pick it back up, but I threw it at the wall. It was really, really, really spicy.
Uh-oh.
So, yeah, I got a brownie from the vending machine, and it helps with the spice.
Okay, that's good.
And in 5th period, we did cuneiform, which is clay, and you write with a little modeling stick on
Right.
the clay
Mm-hmm.
different letters, and we had a sheet that tells us letters. It's mostly just triangles and sticks.
Uh-oh.
So
Was that fun?
it was fun, but it was really hard.
Uh-oh. You'll get to know it
I only
better
got
next
to write
time.
4 letters of my name, Kari.
Oh, with that clay thing? I used to do it back when I was I think it was in 6th grade too. We used to make like little cups and spoons and little hats.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
I didn't do that, but that sounds fun.
Yeah, that used to be so fun. And we went outside. It was like an activity that we do outside. It was like super fun. I wish you guys got the same experience I do.
Maybe if I was in art, then we might have done that.
Right, because art was what we did it in back then.
In period 6 and 7, that's the most work we did all day. So we did in our real book, Reworks book, or real book, we learned about ancient history, about ancient goddess named Happy,
Mm-hmm.
and then they had a statue of it, and they found it inside the ocean
Oh, wow.
back and it was over 17 feet and 12,000 pounds.
What, 12,000 pounds?
Yes.
Stay right where you are, Kaylee. Don't move.
Also, after 6th and 7th period, in 7th period, we were just doing I forgot what it's called. Oh yes, Read 180.
What is Read 180?
It's a reading program
Mm-hmm.
that gives you like fluency and spelling,
Oh,
and you get to read aloud so you can hear how your reading is.
okay. That's
And-
good.
That was my day. It was so fun.
Well, that's good. I'm happy you have fun. That's good. All right, let's keep walking. But you can tell me some more stories later. And this little one playing with the sun. Why you have her with the sun? She hiding her face from the sun.
Sand.
The sun?
Oh, it's not sand.
Casey? Leave her. I got her. Why did you stop it, Kaylee?
Wait, I stopped it.
Yes, you did. You press on the brake right there.
I love going on the golf course and riding because it's so smooth.
Yeah, but we're not gonna go on the golf course today though. We're just gonna walk in the community. Maybe another time we can go on the golf course. See, everybody has their trash. For this hurricane, we did not go anywhere. For Hurricane Irma, we packed up and we went to Fort Lauderdale because we were right in the cone where the eye was, so it was just gonna pass right over us. So we didn't chance that, and we went to Fort Lauderdale. When we came back, it was so devastating. All the housetops were gone. It was like terrible feeling. But this time, the housetops were still on, but the flooding is what caused a lot of problem in this community. In other community, all the houses were gone like 45 minutes away from us. But thankfully, this wasn't too high over us, so it was so much better for us, but not for some people. So I'm hoping that this community will build back faster than Hurricane Irma. But at the same time too, I should say that the kids have gone back to school so much earlier than the last hurricane. The last hurricane, I think they spent 2 to 3 weeks out of school. This hurricane, they spend like a week and a few days, or just a week. Yes, a week and a few days out of school. So we're so grateful, we're so thankful. God spared us our lives one more time. Usually when we walk, we go to the like extreme top, but I'm not sure if Casey can manage that today because she's a little bit sleepy. Let me show you her. Casey, you're a little bit sleepy, right? Yes, so I think I'm gonna stop very fast because she's not in her stroller where she can lay back. Carissa, I think we're gonna make a left now. Yes. If you look at the extreme top of the road, that would where we turn back. There's a little roundabout there that we just turn right there. Well, a dead end road, but we can't go today. Casey's a little bit sleepy, so we'll just go back home. Careful. Can you guys come here? You can stop right where you are. To your left. Stay on your left and come here. Right here. Could you stop and come here? So this is the beginning of my street. We're on Bay Meadows Drive. And look, all the debris are right here. That was destroyed. Some trees were destroyed. We're still thankful. Everybody's so thankful that nothing really happened that's too overbearing. As I said before, it's just a blessing because water was all flooded on these roads right here up to my garage and everything. So you see what we had to deal with. And the canal is just behind, so come. Let's go, go. So there we go, coming back home. The kids were ahead of me, so they got in first. Oh Lord, I'm super tired. So sweaty. Now I have to go get a shower. So we're back home. There you go, we're back home. There you go. See, Casey's back. We're back. Casey, you're back. Say hi. Say hi, I'm back. Poor Casey, she's tired. She needs to go shower. And bedtime.
That's it for our After Hurricane Ian tour. Remember to subscribe.
Like and turn on all notifications. See you next time.
Keens out.
I should say